Beautiful people, today I'm talking about myself as a wedding planner, planning people's wedding and giving them that glorious and graceful event they need. So I'll talk about the wedding planner and also the type of wedding. So for the type of wedding, we have the church wedding, which is basically the most popular one we have in Ghana. We also have the court wedding and we have the traditional one. We also have the garden weddings and weddings at the beach and weddings at other event centers. So mostly you choose the type of wedding you want, and you discuss it with your wedding planner. Please use a wedding planner and know your budget. Even if it's a little budget, a little you can give to that person. Sometimes some of the churches, you don't get a professional wedding planner, but there's a person in the church who assists with weddings and all that. Sometimes they are paid an allowance by the church and all that, just to assist the couple, especially the young couple who don't have so much. But always have your budget in mind. You need to use a wedding planner because the wedding planner is an outsider. The wedding planner comes in as a professional. The wedding planner doesn't need to have issues with your family members and all that. But when you leave your wedding to your family members, there are issues because people feel they are doing you a favor by assisting. So when there are anger and all that, confrontations here and there, because they know they are doing it out of their passion or out of their heart, but when things happen, they wouldn't have the patience to get on going with the thing. People get annoyed and then they leave and all that. But when you use a wedding planner, you are paying the wedding planner. You put the wedding planner, him or her, to charge. You pay them and they are on your budget. So they are supposed to do what exactly you want or what they can advise you on. So today's aspect is talking about the wedding plan. Always use a wedding planner, even if you are going to use a little budget and then you can afford the little the wedding planner can negotiate for the fee. It's better than using family members. Once you use family members, there's so much disagreement and your wedding might be ruined. Remember, your wedding happens only once, and your wedding is your most important part of your life as a couple. So don't cut corners and then give it to family members or people who are not professional. Always use a wedding planner. This is Koli Cooking. Cheers.